Hey everyone, it's Ash Apple and today I will be unpacking a 2019 newest SG900RC drone full FPV wide angle camera plus 360 degree rotation plus V-sign plus gesture video plus real-time transmission plus long battery life quadcopter. Gosh, that was long to say. Anyways, I ordered that from Wish, a website that sells you very expensive stuff for a very low price. Some people say it's a scam and it's cheap. Others are amazed by how much money they saved, and me, honestly, I just want a drone. I ordered that white version with a pretty good camera. What I don't understand is how that guy gave it a 4-star rating with the drone arriving super late and the controller not working. It arrived at my house when I came back from vacation and now it is time to unpack it. So here we have the glorious box that Wish sent me. It looks well packaged and it feels like it has styrofoam inside. Now I just need to get rid of that wrapping paper and the tape holding the styrofoam. Lol, this is so satisfying to watch. So there we go, the unpacking is done. This is a pretty fine looking drone, and it has a reasonable size. And this is the controller. Looks like it is missing its joysticks. All in all, this looks pretty nice. And we also have a charger thingy and some spare spiny things. Lol, I don't even know what they are called. Unfortunately, that will be all for today everyone. If you want to see how it flies, make sure to tune in next week to see how it does. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, I really appreciate it. Bye.